Hey, this is Randolph Parker MS. Today I'm going to be working on a motion detector system for the house. It doesn't work, so we're going to be diving into that very quickly and, just to see what's going on. Again, stay tuned.
So I'm working on this house home sensor, um, motion detector sensor. As you can see, it's $11 item. Um, it's probably not even worth working on it, but hey, somebody wants to. They like this sensor. Uh, Slovenia model number is 65012-1. Um, at the time, it was worth probably $12 as a single or individual. Now you can get a pack of two from Amazon or something similar for $11. Um, so this is what I'm looking at. What I'm gonna work on. I'm thinking this is capacitor. So I'm gonna fire up. I already fired up this solder station, and I don't have a schematic for it, but it's just what the heck, right? So let's do some things here. I just put on a diode checker and what I call a dummy check. It's basically going to check. Really not looking for any uh, particular value or anything. Just want to see if I just get a short anywhere. Short there. Blah, blah, blah. Now this resistor is shorted. You see right here. The color code. Let me see what it is. Let me see brown, black, brown, two. Brown is black, zero, one, one. So we're supposed to get some value here. And just a quick dummy check and it's shorted. So I know that the resistor shorted. I had to open the door for my doggy. She wanted to come in. Hey Gaia, welcome to the shop. So if that's shorted, let's check the capacitor. At this point, let's go to ohms and go back to the resistor. So it's a 10 ohm resistor. I think that's right. Color code. It's always good to have one of these. Never leave home without it. As you get older, you start forgetting. So okay, so brown. So we do have brown, which is one, and we have brown. Brown. I'm reading the bands from left to right. So we have brown, black. So we have brown, black. So yeah, that's good. 10 ohm resistor. So as you can look at the color code band, the first color is brown. The second is um, black, which is zero. So you got your 10 ohms. And your third band, brown, black, brown. I mean black, brown, black, black. This is zero. Your multiplier. The third band. This is zero. Which means nothing, right? So it's 10 ohm resistance. So that's correct. So that resistance is good. So with the diode checker, being that the resistor ohms is low, it had given us a indication that it was shorted. However, it wasn't, as you can see. It's 10 ohm resistor based on the color code here. 10 over resistor. So let's go to the capacitor. That's 0.1. That looks like it's shorted. So we're going to fire up the solid station, which it is already. Turn on the fan. And we are going to move that capacitor. And I'll see you in a minute. What you hear is the fan, solder. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. There you go. I'm going to also check this capacitor too. Can't believe I'm actually fixing this. I'm trying to fix this. I told them go get a new one. Really? But it's okay. Check that diode. Negative probe in the left hand. I always like to do it like that. Negative on the cathode, positive on the anode. Look like they switch it around. That's forward bias. So we switch it around. We should get reverse bias. We got a shorted diode. So as you can note, the 120 goes here. This does some rectifying, no transforming, anything like that. So probably on this board here is where the problem is. Might not be worth working on. So here on R1, I can see the value of the resistor. So let's see. All right. This 1 followed by 5 zeros. That's about 1 meg. So that looks good. So let's take out that cap. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let me try. About that time to turn this on. I gotta clean my desolder